Hello. The programme you're about to listen to was first broadcast on the BBC Learning English website in January 2010. For more English language learning programmes and podcasts, search for BBC Learning English.
Newswords from the BBC. Claire Arthurs explains biodiversity.
The term biodiversity is a shortening of the expression biological diversity. It refers to the variety of all life forms on our planet, from trees to rice and roses, from elephants to tiny organisms like bacteria. It also covers rainforests, oceans and deserts, various environments or ecosystems where forms of life depend on each other. Protecting the variety of life on Earth, of biological diversity, is considered so important that the international community has agreed a United Nations Convention or Treaty on Biodiversity. When we use the term biodiversity in the news, we tend to accept that biodiversity is good. The natural world provides us with food, water and some medicines. It also affects the quality of air and the climate. And parts of it are very beautiful. News stories often mention biodiversity in one particular context, threats to the survival of species or ecosystems. The threats include the loss of habitat, such as when too many trees are cut down, industrial agriculture, global warming and pollution. You'll also hear the word used in arguments about genetically modified or GM foods. Other news reports reflect a question. How can developing countries protect biodiversity at the same time as they pursue economic growth and reduce poverty? That takes us from biodiversity to another common term, sustainable development. But that one I'll leave for another day.
Newswords from the BBC.